Ciao, and welcome to SimpleItalianCooking.com. My name is Liz. I want to thank you for watching this really quick video just to show an easy way to grate a block of Italian cheese, and specifically Romano, which is what we use as a staple here. There's nothing wrong with Parmesan if you use that, but Parmesan definitely has its place, but it's more mild. And Romano, while it may be a little bit pricier, a little goes a long way. It really brings your pasta dishes to life, so I recommend using it if you don't currently. But as you know, with grating cheese can be a real pain in the neck, and of course when you buy it already grated at the store, it's not going to be as fresh as buying a block and grating it yourself. So you can always use one of these, and I do from time to time, but it is time consuming when you want to do a whole bunch. So I have some chunks here and I've already grated a whole bunch, and you can take a whole block like this and put it in here, and I'm using a Cuisinart Prep 11 Plus. I love it. I don't use it as much as I should, but I definitely use it for grating, and I use the fine grater disc that you can get and order online. So you can just put in your blocks of cheese and get it ready and press on and press it, push it down. And as you can see, that's all it takes. With the Cuisinart, these are dishwasher safe, so cleaning it up is not a problem at all. Just throw it in the dishwasher and you're done. And then what you can do, this is what we do in our house. We use glass containers. It just keeps the food stay fresher longer, but if you don't have that, you can use freezer bags and you can put your cheese in that. And as you can see, and I'll put a picture of it up, you have a fine, very, very fine, it's like a powder, and that's really the way you want it. And then just keep a small container in the fridge and most of it in the freezer, and then pull out from the freezer what you need when you need it. It stays fresh for a really long time. So I hope you enjoyed this tip. And for more tips and to follow my newsletter, just sign up SimpleItalianCooking.com, sign up for my newsletter, follow me on Facebook and on Twitter and Pinterest. Well, thanks for watching. Grazie e ciao.